Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Dari here for another video for you on how to get this look for Valentine's Day. It's more of a smoky look, but you can pair it with any kind of lip color that you would like. So if you want to know how to get this look, I don't know how to make it look cute. Keep on watching. Alright, for this look, the first thing that we want to start off again is with the eyes. So I'm just going to go in with my Layin little paint pot from MAC all over my lids. Your eye. For a transition shade, and to set my eye, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, which is this guy right here. And I'm going to go in with the Real Technique Deluxe Crease Brush, which is this guy. And I'm just going to deep it going between these two colors here. And I'm going to be using my my Luxie 205 Taper Blending Brush, which is this guy. You've seen it in the other videos. And I'm going to be using, which I'm excited, I'm going to be using the PatrickStar palette, the Glam AF, but you know what that means. Glam as fuck. And find this shade right here in my crease area. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. blending eye brush, showed it to you guys earlier, and I'm gonna go in with the darker color here from his palette. I don't know what the name of it is, but the darker shade, and I'm gonna apply that a little bit below my crease line. And I want to concentrate most of the colors in the outer portion of the eye. And then I'm just gonna bring it in. The clean brush, just to diffuse any rough lines that I might have. I'm gonna go in with the Real Technique Bait Shadow Brush, which is this guy here. And I'm just gonna go in and just buff everything upwards. Push 230 brush, which looks something like this. And I am gonna go in with this guy right here. That is done. I am gonna go in with the, oh, I can't wait for you guys to see this. But isn't this package like everything? Go in with this little guy here. And what you can do with foils, you can either go in with a synthetic brush and put some Fix Plus or other type of primer that you have that are kind of like spray, or you can go in with your fingers. I like to use my fingers a lot for this kind of look. So I go in with that red color because you know we're going for that Valentine's look. Now for this section right here, I'm gonna go in with this guy, which is like the Gold Coast. And for that, I'm just gonna use my little finger, place it right in the inner corner. Jesus. Okay. These are like really, really pigmented. So now that we have that there, I'm gonna blend it out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush that came in with the Modern Renaissance. It's like this brush is like legit. I'm gonna use the fluffier side. And I'm just gonna go in and try to diffuse those lines. Try to blend them in. I am not putting any product on this brush. I'm just trying to blend those shimmers in. Eyeliner that I am going to use today is the Dior Addictive It line. It's this guy right here. Waterline inside my eyes. I am gonna go in with a pencil just because I don't want anything to be picking through. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Aqua Eyes in the color 10. Now that we have our mascara on, I'm going to be using the MAC A67 eyelashes. I'm going to put those back on. I'm going to finish my other eyes, and then I'll be right back so we can continue with the face. Alright guys, so I went ahead and applied my eyelashes, and I did my eyebrows off camera because they were taking me way too long to do. But the eyebrow pencil that I use is the Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit in the number 6. So for my face, I am going to go in with the 2 different kinds of primer. I'm going to use the Pore Professional from Benefit, and I'm going to apply it around this area because I have pores and I want those to be covered. And then for the rest of my face, because I'm more of a not natural, I'm more of a normal to dry skin, I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, which is this guy. Last video, I'm gonna go in with my Hourglass stick, and I'm gonna apply that here. And to make it more easy for it to move around, I'm going to take my kabuki brush from Sigma, the F82, and I'm just going to spray with a little bit of Fix Plus if it wants to work. This makes it easier because with a stick foundation, you want to make sure that it warms up in your fingers. Sometimes with Beauty Blender, it works well because it's a damp beauty blender, but for a brush, I like to damp it with my Fix Plus. Don't forget those nostrils, girls, boys, children, grandmother, uncle. Don't forget that area. And the size too. Sometimes your foundation be kicking up there, making you have lines that you don't want to have. But for my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Shape Tape from Tarte. And I'm the color Tan. Like I said, I usually like to bring my concealer down and then out to about here. And then I'll go in with my Beauty Blender, the bottom part, and then try to blend it out into the foundation. And I go in with a Beauty Blender that has no product. And you just want to diffuse that concealer that you just put on. Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder from Charlotte Tilbury in the color 3, which is the darkest one, but it's not really dark. Contour, we're going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hair Contour Kit in the color medium to tan. And I'm just going to go in between these 2 colors right here. I know what I'm doing. And the brush that I'm using here is the Flat Angle Kabuki Brush F88 from Sigma. With the NYX Strobe of Genius Illuminating Palette, this guy. So I'm gonna go into this yellow color here, which I don't know what the name of it is. And again, I'm using my setting brush from Real Technique. A little bit more of setting spray on my face because I want all these products to melt in before I continue going. So what I'm going to use here is a Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, which I like a lot. Shake it. You need this product, you need to shake it a lot. Shake, 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 shake. Make it shake. Like, oh. The name. I just know it's Real Technique because it looks similar to my other Real Techniques. So I'm just gonna go in. Gonna go in. Put this on the apple of my cheeks. With the MAC pencil in the color Costa Riche. I'm just gonna put that in my waterline. Push, it's a 250 brush. That one. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna try to smudge my eyeliner that I just put on with the pencil. For the lips, I'm gonna go in with the NARS Velvet Staying Alive color. So this is the finished look for a smoky Valentine's Day look that you can have. Please let me know in the comment section below what you'll be doing for Valentine's, or if you're like me, probably just gonna go to work, come home, eat, watch TV, maybe work out, but I have no plan. I think that's a wrap. I think that's a wrap. We can't do anything more. So check you on the next video. Stay tuned.